how to delete the app from iPad's app library. Let me show you how it works and what you're going to do about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, when you swipe all the way to the right on your home screen, you get to the app library, and you most definitely have the ability to hold it down on the app and click on delete, right? So you can literally just, for example, I find like a social media app, whatever. I'm going to click on options and there is the ability to delete the app. So that's one thing, but of course, it's not just like hiding it from the app library. It's like completely removing it from the iPad, which is something you might want to do. Perhaps you might not want to do that. So if you still want to have it on your iPad, and if you don't want the app icon to just be showing here in app library, then you're not supposed to delete it fully because it will be gone for good. But instead, what you're supposed to do is to click on require Face ID. And in that case, you will basically lock the app in your iPad. You'll be able to, or will be required to, scan your face to unlock the app. But other than that, you can also click on hide and require Face ID. And this will make it disappear from your app library and it will not appear anywhere else on the iPad. It's still going to be there and you're still going to be able to find it in the hidden folder within the app library, but you'll be able to scan your face at first in order to get there. And that's kind of like a different layer of privacy, or, it kind of gets the job done if that's the thing you're going after. So let me know in the comments below if you achieved what you needed with your iPad. Subscribe for the next quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.